Hi everyone, this is the first purely macro chapter of the textbook, and so I'm very happy to be teaching this. Now, this chapter is about measuring a nation's income. And so, to motivate this, it's easy to think about the following question. If you were to judge how a person is doing economically, what would you look at? In order to judge how a person is doing economically, what would you look at? Okay, you might come up with answers like we might look at what they own, how much they have in their bank account. Well, we don't have access to that, but we might look at what they own, are they traveling, their lifestyle, all of that stuff. But one simple answer to this could be that we might just look at their income. Okay, a person with a high income can more easily afford life's necessities and luxuries, and people with a higher income would enjoy higher standards of living. By higher standards of living, we mean, so if there's higher income, we are saying that that person might enjoy better housing, healthcare, cars, vacations, etc. Okay, so the same logic that we think about when we're talking about an individual can be scaled to an entire economy. Okay, so when we are thinking about a nation's overall economy, we can also see whether the economy is doing well or it's doing poorly. And for that, we like to look at the total income that everyone in the economy is earning. So if we took all of the people that are in the United States, and we'll get to the more technical parts. So all of those people who are earning in the United States, we can get to what we call national income. And so this is what we're going to be doing in this chapter. And so specifically, if we want to look at what this chapter would cover, we will take a look at what do we mean by gross domestic product, or GDP. You may have come across this term before and may even have calculated this in school, but we'll try to take a deeper dive into this. Okay, and then we will look at how is GDP related to a nation's total income or spending. What are the different components of GDP? How do we get to that number? What are the different components? And how is GDP corrected for inflation? And finally, does GDP really measure a society's well-being?